Hello! Today I'm making fettuccine alfredo. There are a lot of Alfredo recipe variations out there, but in this case, less is more. It is simple, quick, and tastes amazing. The original recipe only has 3 ingredients: fettuccine, Parmesan cheese, and butter. To begin, boil enough water to cover the pasta, along with some salt. I use 1 teaspoon of salt per liter of water. I also recommend tasting the pasta towards the end to check if it's perfect to your taste. In a bowl, mix the pasta with the butter. Once the butter is mostly melted, add half of the cheese. Mix the cheese, adding a small amount of pasta water little by little to create a creamy texture. Then add the remaining cheese and, if needed, a bit more pasta water. It's done when the creamy sauce covers the pasta evenly and all the cheese is melted. Make sure to eat it while still warm. If the pasta gets cold, the sauce starts to become more solid. Like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. Also, let me know which other recipes you'd like to see, and thanks for watching.